Hey, Windows warriors and productivity pioneers. Ever found yourself neck-deep in projects, juggling tasks, and wishing there was a simpler, more streamlined way to keep everything together? Maybe you've heard whispers of a legendary tool, a project management powerhouse called Basecamp. It promises calm amidst the chaos, clarity in communication, and a central hub for all your team's endeavors. But a crucial question lingers for a significant chunk of US. Does Basecamp have a dedicated Windows app? That single question can be a real roadblock, right? You're picturing a seamless workflow, notifications popping up right on your desktop, and quick access to your projects without having to fire up your browser every single time. The allure of a native app, tightly integrated with your operating system, is undeniable. It speaks of efficiency, convenience, and a smoother, more focused experience. Think about it. How many times a day do you switch between applications? How many browser tabs do you have open right now? For many Windows users, the desktop is their command center. Having their essential tools readily available without the extra click and the potential for distraction in a browser is a huge plus. So, let's dive into this burning question and uncover the truth about Basecamp and its presence on the Windows desktop. We'll explore the options available, the nuances involved, and ultimately help you understand how you can best integrate Basecamp into your Windows workflow. Now, Basecamp has been a significant player in the project management and team collaboration space for years. It's known for its straightforward approach, focusing on clear communication, task management, file sharing, and real-time discussions, all within a centralized platform. Its philosophy often revolves around keeping things simple and avoiding the feature bloat that can sometimes plague other similar tools. This emphasis on simplicity and a web-first approach has shaped their development strategy. Historically, many web-based platforms prioritize their browser experience, ensuring accessibility across different operating systems without the need for developing and maintaining separate native applications for each. This makes sense from a development perspective. A single, robust web application can reach a wider audience with less overhead. However, the landscape of work and productivity is constantly evolving. Users are increasingly expecting seamless integration with their preferred operating systems, and the demand for native applications has grown. This brings us back to our central question. Has Basecamp adapted to this demand for Windows users? Let's cut to the chase. As of my last update, Basecamp does not offer a dedicated, standalone application specifically built for the Windows operating system. Now, before you sigh and click away, hold on. This doesn't mean Windows users are left out in the cold. Basecamp understands the importance of accessibility and provides a robust and highly functional web application that works seamlessly within any modern web browser on your Windows PC. Think of the Basecamp web application as a powerful and versatile tool that lives within your Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or any other browser you prefer. It's not a stripped-down version. It offers the complete Basecamp experience, with all the features and functionalities you'd expect. You can manage projects, communicate with your team, track tasks, share files, and stay updated on progress, all within your browser window. So, while there isn't a separate .exe file you can download and install, the web application is designed to be just as capable. You can even create a shortcut to the Basecamp website on your desktop or pin it to your taskbar for quick and easy access, effectively mimicking the convenience of launching a native application. Consider the benefits of a web application. It ensures that you're always running the latest version of Basecamp without needing to manually update. Any new features or improvements are instantly available the next time you log in. It also provides a consistent experience across different devices and operating systems. Whether you're on your Windows desktop at work, a Mac at home, or even a tablet, the core Basecamp experience remains the same through the web browser. However, the desire for a dedicated Windows app is understandable. Native applications can sometimes offer advantages like better integration with the operating system's notification system, potentially faster performance in certain areas, and a more focused, less browser-dependent experience. The absence of a dedicated Windows app might stem from a few factors. Developing and maintaining native applications for different operating systems requires significant resources. Basecamp, with its focus on a streamlined and efficient approach, might have chosen to concentrate its development efforts on its core web application to ensure a consistent and high-quality experience for all users. Furthermore, modern web browsers have become incredibly powerful, offering features that blur the lines between web applications and native apps. Progressive web apps, PWAs, for example, can be installed on your desktop or mobile device, offer offline capabilities, and integrate with the operating system's notification system, all while being built using web technologies. While Basecamp's web application isn't explicitly branded as a PWA, it shares many of these characteristics in terms of functionality and accessibility. So, what does this mean for you, the Windows user considering or currently using Basecamp? Firstly, rest assured that you can fully utilize Basecamp and all its features through your web browser. The experience is designed to be comprehensive and efficient. Secondly, explore the options for creating quick access to the web application. Pinning the Basecamp tab in your browser, creating a desktop shortcut, or even using browser-specific features to install the web application, as some browsers allow, can significantly improve the convenience of accessing Basecamp. Thirdly, consider the advantages of this web-based approach, such as automatic updates and cross-platform consistency. You won't have to worry about downloading and installing updates or encountering differences in functionality between different operating systems. While the dream of a dedicated Basecamp icon sitting proudly on your Windows taskbar might not be a reality yet, the robust and accessible web application ensures that Windows users can still harness the power of Basecamp for their project management and team collaboration needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.